One of the areas in Chapter 6 that I find that some students have trouble with is when they're asked to write an equation in point-slope form where the slope is a particular value and there is a particular point. So what we'd like you to do right now is to take this slope and this value, this ordered pair, and write right below here the substitution of these into the point slope form. So you're going to put that right here on some paper. Did you get something like this? So our y value is a positive 3, but in the formula there's a negative, so it looks like this. And then the slope is easy, 1/2. Now the x was a negative 2. Now there is a negative in the formula. So when you write negative and then this negative, you have the rule of the double negative that makes this a positive. Okay, now our next example will be our equation here in point slope form. We'd like you now to write the slope and write the ordered pair. All right, we'll give you a few moments. Now the slope is a little bit easy. This is going to be 2/3. But what is your y value? Well, here it's a positive 3, it looks like. But what was it originally? Well, the answer is it was a negative 3. And there's what looks like a negative 4 originally was a positive 4. So a shortcut, when you see an equation that is in point slope form already, and they're asking you to find the slope and the ordered pair, if you remember, because of this negative in the original formula, what you see in this case, it's going to be the opposite sign of this. So if you have here a positive 3, the y value is actually a negative 3. And if you have a negative 4, the x value is actually a positive 4. So in the point slope form, the shortcut is just the opposite sign. Now the proof of this now is to write using this slope and this ordered pair, write it in point slope form. Well, it will be y minus a negative 3. Well, minus a negative 3 makes this a positive 3. Now the slope is easy. That's going to be 2/3. And then x minus the 4. Minus is in the formula. And this is where students often mess up on this rather easy if you know the technique that's going on. All right, we'll keep this review short. I wanted just to feature practice with the point slope form. Now, if they're asking for an equation in point slope form, you're going to have to remember this. Remember, it's y minus y on one side, x minus x on the other side, with an m in front of the right side. Okay, we'll wrap this up.